have gathered the most important leaks about the iPhone 16 from the internet, and the CPU seems too good to be true. So the first thing you need to know, on September 16, Apple is releasing 4 iPhones: iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, iPhone 16 Pro Max. The second thing you need to know about is displays: OLED, 29 aspect ratio, 120 Hz, HDR10, and Dolby Vision. The third thing you need to know about is batteries: 5200 milliampere hour. In video playback should last 20 hours, and in audio playback should last 80 hours. And when it's wired with its fast charger, it should take 30 minutes to fill 50% of the battery. The fourth thing you need to know about iPhone 16 is coming out with the A18 hexa-core chipset / processor / CPU. Hexa-core means 6 cores. 2 cores are for ultra-fast high performance, clocking at 3.89 GHz each. 4 cores are for power efficiency and still can be clocked at 2.29 GHz altogether. So according to the market, this iPhone would be the fastest phone ever made. The fifth thing you need to know about is storage, and it's coming out with 256 GB or 512 GB or 1 TB, and the RAMs are going to be 12 GB of RAM. I have a lot of videos coming out your way. Please be subscribed and turn on the notification so you don't miss. No, I don't want to be talking like YouTube videos, man. My name is Jay, and until next time.